If you've ever wondered whether Seeking Alpha's premium and Alpha Pick services are worth your money, stay with me, because I fully tested them and the results surprised me. 8 years ago, I wasn't impressed with Seeking Alpha. Today, with the quant team and audited analyst track records, it's a very different story. I'm Barry, and stay tuned because I'll compare Seeking Alpha with some of the biggest names in stock analysis so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. After hands-on testing, I give Seeking Alpha a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars because it excels in 4 key areas. AlphaPix provides targeted stock selection, buy and sell signals, and a proven track record of market outperformance. Also, as you can see behind me, its premium service combines deep research with its quant ratings and factor grades. Finally, its charting is powerful, its community is large and educated, and it includes portfolio health checks and analysis. Seeking Alpha is designed for investors, not day traders. So let's first talk about AlphaPix. AlphaPix is Seeking Alpha's top-tier stock recommendation service, offering high-conviction, long-term investment ideas supported by the platform's trusted quant ratings and in-depth fundamental analysis. If you're looking for specific stock picks and clear buy and sell signals, AlphaPix has you covered. AlphaPix currently has 44 active recommendations, 38 are winners with an average gain of 121%, and there are also 6 losers with an average loss of 15%. That's an impressive track record, though it's only been 3 years so far. Each month, subscribers receive 2 curated stock picks that score highly on value, growth, and profitability metrics, typically companies with strong earnings momentum and solid financial health. AlphaPix has delivered impressive results since launching in July 2022. Their reported portfolio return sits at a 265% gain, while the S&P 500 returned only 79% in the same period. This means the AlphaPix stock selection is giving you a chance to significantly beat the market. But to be clear, not all stocks perform well. No system is perfect, but so far they are looking very good. Behind me, you can see some of the best and worst performers in the portfolio. If you are interested in AlphaPix, it costs $499 per year, but comes with a discount. See my link below. Let's move quickly along to Seeking Alpha Premium, which unlocks quant ratings and A to F factor grades across valuation, growth, profitability, momentum, and EPS revisions. I use this to sanity check future investments. For example, here you can see one of their current top recommendations, Micron Technology, which has excellent B to A+ ratings across growth, profitability, and momentum. Impressively, they also highlight when and how they have historically rated the stock, providing a level of transparency rarely seen in the industry. While the quant ratings are the star of the premium plan, you also get a surprisingly comprehensive set of charting tools for serious technical analysis, featuring over 130 indicators, overlays, and drawing tools. The charting interface supports all major chart types, including Renko, Point and Figure, and Heiken Ashi, giving traders the flexibility to analyze price action from multiple perspectives. Also, you get Seeking Alpha's Stock Screener, which integrates smoothly with its quant ratings, factor grades, and author analysis, making it a convenient research tool for investors focused on fundamentals. It allows users to filter stocks by key metrics, such as valuation ratios, dividend yield, sector, and market cap, providing a quick, data-driven snapshot of market opportunities. With Seeking Alpha's portfolio management tools, I can do far more than just track my holdings. I can actually understand their performance and risk profile. The feature I find most useful is the Portfolio Health Score, which grades my portfolio across valuation, growth, profitability, and momentum using the same quantitative model behind Seeking Alpha's quant ratings. Finally, I want to shout out the Follow Top Analysts feature, which empowers investors to tap into the insights of the platform's highest performing contributors and finance professionals. Each analyst is ranked based on their track record of stock performance, rating accuracy, and consistency over time, allowing users to identify and follow those with proven results. So, Seeking Alpha Premium offers many solid features for $299 per year, which is well priced compared to its competitors. If you are wondering how Seeking Alpha stacks up against the competition, Trade Ideas is better for day traders and leads the way in AI-driven trade signals and fully automated day trading strategies. Stock Rover offers a better fundamental financial stock screener and integrates with your broker for improved portfolio management. Motley Fool's Stock Advisor service provides a much simpler stock picking service, rivaling Alpha Picks at half the price, but it lacks the quant ratings and deep research. Finally, TradingView offers global market coverage, better charting, pattern recognition, backtesting, and an active social trading community. In summary, while Seeking Alpha's competition excels in specific areas, I think the combination of Alpha Picks and Premium provides an impressive package for medium to long-term investors. It has the benefits of curated stock picks, quant ratings, and in-depth research so that you can find your own gems. That's why I rate it 4.7 stars and gave it my Editor's Choice Award. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check the partner discount links for these trading platforms below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.